Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a game changer in home automation, the Kasa Smart Motion Sensor Dimmer Switch, specifically the ES20MP2, which comes in a convenient 2-pack. If you're interested in upgrading your lighting system, we found this product online and have included a link in the description for you to check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Kasa Smart Motion Sensor Dimmer Switch? This is a smart light switch designed for single-pole configurations, which means it's perfect for controlling lights in rooms where you only have one switch. It's not compatible with three-way or multi-location setups, so keep that in mind as we go along. Let's talk about some of its standout features. First and foremost, the advanced motion detection is a game changer. This feature enables completely hands-free operation of your connected lights. Imagine walking into a room and having the lights automatically turn on when you enter, and then turn off after a preset time once you leave. This is particularly useful in areas like bedrooms, hallways, and restrooms, where you might have your hands full or simply prefer not to fumble for a switch. Another fantastic feature is the daylight detection. This smart ambient light detection ensures that your lights won't turn on during the day, conserving energy and saving you from unnecessary lighting. It's another layer of convenience that enhances the user experience. Installation is straightforward thanks to the app-guided setup through the Kasa or Tapo app. However, it's important to note that the switch requires a neutral wire and a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection. If you're not comfortable with electrical wiring, consulting with a qualified electrician is advisable. Make sure to keep the firmware updated via the app for optimal performance. One of the key benefits of this dimmer switch is its flexibility in lighting control. You can adjust brightness levels from a low 1% to a bright 100%, setting different light triggers based on your daily routine. For example, you might prefer a softer light in the morning and brighter light in the evening. This ability to customize lighting not only enhances your comfort but can also contribute to mood and atmosphere in your home. What's more, the Kasa Smart Motion Sensor Dimmer Switch supports voice control through Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and Samsung SmartThings. This hands-free operation means you can manage your lights from anywhere in your home using simple voice commands. Plus, you can control it remotely through the free Kasa app on your smartphone. Another noteworthy feature is the away mode, which automatically turns your lights on and off at different times, giving the impression that someone is home. This can be a great security feature, especially if you travel frequently or are away from home for extended periods. So, who is this product suitable for? If you are someone who values convenience, energy efficiency, and hands-free operation, this dimmer switch is an excellent choice. It's particularly ideal for families with young children or elderly members who may have difficulty reaching traditional light switches. Additionally, tech enthusiasts who are already invested in smart home ecosystems will appreciate how well Kasa products integrate with other smart devices. In terms of practical use cases, think about how this switch could enhance your daily routine. Imagine stepping into a dimly lit hallway at night and having the lights gently brighten as you walk through. Or consider the ease of setting the lights in your living room to dim just before movie night starts, all without lifting a finger. In conclusion, the Kasa Smart Motion Sensor Dimmer Switch is a reliable and innovative solution to modernize your home lighting. With features that cater to convenience, energy efficiency, and smart technology integration, it's a worthy addition to